What is up, guys? I'm here with the pack opening today, which is rare, cause this might be one of the only pack openings I do. But this deal is honestly worth it, and I had to do it cause it's LT and Dan Marino today. So I got a pack opening today for you guys, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So here we go. It's 8 Legend Fantasy packs with the topper of a full Legend, and it says 89 uh 89 what Blitz tokens. Yeah, so. And I had to do it because it's limited time. So, I mean, I had to do it for you guys. So, alright, here we go. Let's hop into it. Let's see what we're getting now. Alright, it's just a silver round. I edit these out, I don't know. Ooh. Alright, elite in the first round. Second round, man. Alright, here we go. Ooh, Lawrence. Ooh. Let's pick Willie McGinnis here. Let's go. Alright, that's pretty good. That's pretty good for a first pack. Alright, we're on to the next one. See if we can get something out the silver round. Junk. Alright. Okay. Take that. Thanksgiving and Team of the League. Alright. Ooh, Drew Brees? Okay. Paul Krause. Taking Drew Brees. It's pretty good, actually. Normally it's always a legend round. That's to make it break it. Alright, next pack. Gold. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Alright, let's see what we get. 3 legends. I'll try from the back. Oh my god. Full legend already. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo! Let's go. Full legend already. God, ooh, I needed a right guard too. GG. I'm keeping him. Let's go, baby. That means we're gonna have guaranteed 2 full legend pulls. Oh my god. Let's go. We still have 5 packs left. Woo! Pack luck gonna be lit. I could tell they actually made these packs pretty good, I feel like. Or it might just be me. Ooh, Garappa goat. Alright, here we go. There's the dud. There's the dud. Alright. I honestly don't care. I mean, I got a full legend already. I'm only halfway through it. Let's go. Okay. Okay, let's see. So just go with the feeling, baby. So good vibe. Show some dope, okay? We gon' blow smoke in the sky. Okay, here we go. Oh my! Oh, I'm out. I'm out. See you guys. I'm out. I'm leaving. Oh my God. I'm leaving. See. Oh my Jesus. How, Sway? How? Jesus. Dude. Wow. Oh my God, dude. Dude. If we pull Dan Marino, I'm quitting, dude. I'm quitting. Ooh, Kaepernick. He's the best. Alright, hold on. Sorry, guys. I was on my phone. Ooh, okay. Rondé. He hard. Bro, if I get Oh, Jarvis Landry. Cool. Take Jarvis. Alright, next pack. Two more. I can't complain, honestly. Been my best pack opening ever. This might be one of the best pack openings you'll see on YouTube, honestly. It is nasty. So, alright. My bad, guys. Ooh, Gurley. Here we go. Yeah. Health. Ooh, 88 LT. Let's go. Alright, that's a pretty good round, actually. Alright, we got one more, guys. One more. Here we go. I can't complain. Honestly. I'm thankful right now. Even though Thanksgiving's over. Ooh. Okay. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Okay. I'll take the kicker just because I need a kicker. So. Alright. Let me open up the blitz tokens for you guys. Sorry. I'm saving the legend for last. Save the best for last. There's 20 times 4. That's crazy. Dude, oh my god. And I get another full legend. Dude, oh, this is amazing. And I'm honestly, I might clickbait the title. I have to do it for the one time. Alright, guys. Here we go, full legend. Please just don't be 91. If it's Dan Marino, oh my god. Or Mike Vick. Jeez. Please be the guy on the cover. Alright, here we go, guys. Damn. Actually, I'm gonna keep this guy because Rod Woodson with read. Actually, I'm glad because it gave me a read and react chem. So I'm thankful for that. Okay. So, dude, here I'm gonna go over all the guys that we got. We'll go over overview real quick. So we got full legend Rod Woodson, 88 LT, full legend LT. Oh my god, dude. Oh my. Larry Little, Drew Brees, Willie McGinnis, Jarvis Landry, another Lawrence Taylor, dude. Oh my Jesus, dude. I'm probably gonna keep this Lawrence Taylor. Oh my god, Jarvis Landry. Let's go. Well, anyway, that's gonna do it for today, guys. I'm probably gonna drop a gameplay later of Lawrence Taylor. I was actually planning on picking up Barry Sanders. That's why I got like 600k in coins. So yeah, I'm probably gonna drop a gameplay maybe tomorrow, hopefully, with these new upgrades. I'll sell most of them. I'm probably gonna keep the legends and the kicker, but I'm gonna sell the rest. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm that guy. Please leave a like for this, because I pull full legend Lawrence Taylor, dude. That is crazy. Alright, so hope you guys had a good day. Peace.